1. Product application, granular or powdered materials with less moisture and good fluidity. Widely used in fertilizer, feed, light industry, chemical industry, metallurgy, building materials, ports, mining, food, grain and other industries. 2. Main features. 1. Good integrity, small footprint, flexible and convenient installation. 2. Adjustable speed. The feeding method of the packaging equipment is 3-speed, large, medium and small gravity feeding. The feeding is achieved by instrument control and the feeding speed can be set arbitrarily. 3. Environmentally friendly operation. Closed internal circulation system effectively prevents dust from flying, improves the working environment and protects the health of employees. 4. Reasonable structure. Compact structure, small size, can be made into fixed or mobile body according to customer requirements. 5. High precision sensors and highly intelligent weighing controllers are used, with high measurement accuracy and stable